My name is Brian Rohr, Territory Manager in our Residential and Landscape Contractor Equipment Group, serving Southern PA and South Jersey, and this is your September 2020 Turf Equipment and Supply video update. Now you can be more productive all season long with the innovative Toro GrandStand MULTI FORCE stand-on mower that has the ability to attach a plow, power broom, and bagging system. It's designed to give you even more productivity, and the smaller footprint takes up less space on the trailer when transporting. Popular accessories like plows, the Pro Force blower, and a 55-inch power broom will tackle all your sidewalks and clear snow and debris down to the pavement. Contact your territory manager or your local dealer for more information. Turf Equipment and Supply Company is proud to announce our partnership with the Harper Turf Equipment and their industry-leading landscape and commercial collection equipment. Powerful pickup performance from the cleanest and most cost-effective vacuums on the market. Units like the TV40 are popular choices to clear leaves and debris. This tow-behind vacuum is ideal for artificial turf, including those with granular rubber pellets. Contact your territory manager for more details. A simple grounding check on your irrigation equipment can save you money. Irrigation systems, earth grounds need to be maintained, and it is recommended that they are checked every 3 to 5 years. Most irrigation control systems have built-in surge protection that relies on good earth ground connection to dissipate the surge. If you find yourself replacing or repairing more circuit boards or decoder modules each year, have your grounds checked. Our service technicians have the equipment and can check your grounds for you and present you with an actionable report of recommendations. Give your service technician a call today. Planning on a drainage project for the fall? Our locations stock everything you need for installing new drainage lines on your course to adding a catch basin at your fields. Whether you're looking for a drainage pipe, French drains, catch basins, grates, or fittings, we have everything you will need for a successful project. Stop by one of our locations today and let us help you dry up this fall. Whether you are rebuilding rollers, replacing hydraulic hoses, or overhauling your cutting units, Toro MVP kits make it simple to order all the necessary parts for the job. Toro provides maintenance value performance kits for many common maintenance jobs. All the required parts are included in a single package to make ordering and completing the job easier and less expensive. Contact our parts department today to place an order. It is that time of year to start considering your grinding plans. Our service department offers on-site grinder service for your fully united grinders. This service will include ensuring you have updates installed, including inspection and adjustment of all bearings, actuators, and safety systems. At the time of service, a written estimate will also be generated for any additional repairs needed. Our mobile service technicians are fully united grinder certified and are able to offer grinder training, so call our service department today to schedule your service. Did you know that Turf Equipment and Supply Company is your supplier for fin sales, repairs, parts, and rental solutions? Call us for all your bark blowing, mulching, straw blowing, and hydro seeding needs this fall. We now even have a program set up for rent to own. Contact us to learn smarter ways to work with fin. Please remember that all Turf Equipment and Supply Company locations will be closed on Friday, October 30th, so that we can perform our annual physical inventory. We appreciate your patience and understanding so we can serve you better. Please don't hesitate to give us a call and we can help you plan ahead. And that's the Turf Equipment Supply Company's video update for September 2020. Visit our website at www.turf-equipment.com for all of our upcoming events, specials, and educational resources.